finish in 4 minutes. What we need to remember is this first. And yes, we will always look for x and y intercepts. So this is positive x squared. This is negative x squared. These have to be memorized. It will make your life so much easier if you remember this moving forward. Now, looking at what we have. So I have a negative x squared, not positive x squared. So I don't need this. These are my props here. Sorry, I have tons of props. I'm kidding. That's nothing. Okay, so not this, but this. And to negative x squared, I'm adding 5. So the entire graph shifts up 5 units. Okay, so something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point from 0, 0 moves here. I don't know exactly where these will move, but I will find in a minute. But here's the graph. This is the graph of 5 minus x squared. Now, yes, as I mentioned, we always have to try to find the x and y intercepts. This one is clear. It's 0, 5. I don't have to do anything because when I replace x by 0, I get y equals 5. So 0, 5 is already determined. But remember, this is y equals 0. So when y is 0, I have 5 minus x squared equals 0. Now let's talk about this. How do I solve this equation? Any options, any suggestions? Anyone?
Add the 5 to the other side?
Yes.
Or subtract the 5?
Yes. It's easier now to just move this to the other side. I have 5 equals x squared. It doesn't matter. You can write it as x squared equals 5 is the same thing. Now what? Perfect step. That's it. So what do I do next? To solve for x, and how many solutions I have to have? Must find how many solutions? Square root, yes. Must find how many?
2.
Absolutely, 2 solutions. Because the degree is 2. So please always remember to write plus or minus the square root of 5. So then this intercept is 0, negative the square root of 5. And this intercept must be 0, the square root of 5. So please remember, whenever we take the square root and whenever we solve a quadratic equation, we have to find 2 solutions. Mandatory. Thank you, everyone. Please stay if you have any questions, anything you would like to ask, anything you want to discuss.